All right. How are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? So today was an interesting day, to say the least. A very interesting day. We started off. Oh my god, today was a fucking interesting day. We'll say that. I literally just finished. Okay. Story of today. We wake up. We set our levels right. We have a nice little break and retest of the upside that I was looking at. This is the ultimate thing I've learned. This is my thing from now. No more pre-market break and retest. We have to wait for 9:30. We have to wait for 9:30. This is the breakout we were talking about. This is an actual break. So we broke, retested, and I should have held this, but I got out and was negative. I actually got in for a break and retest of the upside. Stopped out. Didn't even get stopped out. I kind of just knew, like, why the fuck did I enter? And then got out. So yeah, that got off me a little red to the day. Got in here. Actually got out at break even on this one. Why did I get out on this one? I shouldn't have. Obviously, that was a mistake. Let's see why. Because we had a long position cooking up on NQ. What happened? We swept our drawing liquidity to the downside. We inverse. We were going to get off of this. I think it was like a 15-minute. Off this inverse. What do? We get in. Stopped out. Stopped out. And I kind of sized a little heavily this time. It was kind of my mistake. I'm not going to lie. So started the day a bit red. I was a lit red and I was a bit upset. I was like, fuck. Then what happened? Selling pressure came kicking in. I don't know if we had, I know I was seeing a bunch of news about some random shit. I don't even know if it was really, I don't know exactly what happened. I think it was some foreign country type of shit, but I don't know. But selling pressure definitely started kicking in. And this definitely looked like we were going to be looking for shorts for today. So what do? We get in off of, I don't know why it's not saying this on my screen. Like, I don't know why the fuck it's doing this on my screen, but there was a fair value gap that we were getting in off an inversion. We weren't really doing a liquidity sweep. It was more just a momentum trade off an inverse of a fair value gap or a bullish fair value gap. So we get in, blah, 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 blah. All this happens. And yeah, we get in literally at break even and ended the day plus $2, like plus $2. I'm like sitting there like, all right, fuck this. I'm out for the day. I'm going to go and, do my thing. I went on a run. I did a good like 6 miles. It was pretty good. I had a pretty good run today. And on my run, nothing happened actually. What the fuck am I talking about? We went on a run and I went back on the charts. Was sitting there like, fuck, I kind of want to get another setup going in. We had another setup I was thinking about if we were to inverse this fair value gap and do that, but no, that didn't happen. We actually had a lot of selling pressure. Or where was the inverse? It was, yeah, right here. Not there, right there. What the fuck am I saying? Right here. We wanted to get off of that, but obviously that setup didn't go, and we got a lot of selling pressure cooking in. So I was sitting there like, all right, this isn't really my strategy. I'll be honest with you. However, I know the markets and I know how liquidity works, and I know how. Yeah. So this actually was a 15-minute fucking. What the fuck? Am I retarded? Holy shit, that is not good. Hold up. Whoopsies. Yeah, I hope I'm not banned from saying all this. Hopefully I don't. Hopefully YouTube doesn't be a prick. But yeah, what happens? I see that we had a lot of selling pressure, and obviously, fucking great exit. We had a perfect exit. Oh my god. And we get off on what the fuck am I saying? We're having this selling pressure. Oh my god, look at that buying pressure kind of kicking in. I'm not trading again. I already made my money. I'm fucking leaving after this, by the way. No more trades for today. Even though maybe we can find a buying setup. This does look like buying pressure's kicking in. However, I'm not fucking taking anything right now. We have inverse that for value gap, so maybe we could go in for something right now. I don't care. Literally live as I'm speaking right now. You technically could get in right now. Fuck that. I'm not doing that. I already made my money. Anyways, we got off because I saw that we respected that bearish for value gap, got in a little bit late and targeted that sell side liquidity. And what happened? Bam. Ended the day green. So comeback of the century today. Yeah, let's go have a great day tomorrow. And you see, this is exactly why I didn't take that. You see what I mean? So yeah, fuck that. I'm not taking any more trades. I already made my money. Comeback of the century of the day. So let's keep this winning. We're going to have a 19-day winning streak. I'll promise you that. All right. Love you guys.